All right, bro. So we need a video this week, and we didn't have no content, bro. But luckily, we have Turbo Yukon here, and our homeboy jack stand build, which is on the phone right now. But thanks, bro.
Sorry, just kidding. It was a prank.
Family-friendly channel, bro.
Sorry. My bad.
Say thumbs up, bro. Where homie called us to tune this twin turbo truck, and then right after we got done tuning, he decided to call us out.
I did not call him out.
He decided to call us out, bro.
But
Let's check out what he has in here, bro. Badass. What year is this? Like a 16, right? 16, 15, 16. Full build going on right there. Badass C7. I don't know what that is.
It's a Corvette. That's what it is.
It's a Corvette.
Yeah.
What is it like? Is he 06? No, it's base model.
This is Stingray right now. We're gonna make it something.
Yeah, the big old banner. That's cool. But this is the twin turbo truck he's calling me out with.
Yeah, I'm calling you.
So we're gonna give him a run, bro. So we might not do too much because it's 5,000 pounds versus, I don't know, 3,500 or something. 4,000.
You tripping?
It's heavier?
No, you tripping.
How?
You gonna get me.
No, bro. The Yukon 7 pounds, 5'3". This is 7 pounds, 5'3". Just lighter.
My bad, we're on YouTube. I'm gonna get the out of here.
Yeah. So we're on YouTube. Me and him are actually beefing.
Right. This guy pulled up out of nowhere, you know. I didn't even invite him up here. And he just talking about he want to race me. Fuck this guy. Let's do it.
Yeah, I seen him on Instagram. I was like, yeah, this guy, gapped. So yeah, we have beef now. We're gonna go race and see how it goes. But we're inside of a shop right now.
You messing with the wrong one, homie.
Ask where I'm from. I'm true to this, he said. So Eddie, if you're watching this, you need some wheels like this, bro. You need the wing too.
Yeah, sponsor the build.
You want to sponsor a build?
No, I said.
Oh, I thought you said you want to sponsor a build.
No,
I was like, you can do it.
Sponsored.
You want to sponsor one?
Oh.
So we're beefing 2 minutes ago, but now we're cool. And he wants to sponsor a build for us, guys.
Right.
He's gonna do a V6 to V8 swap for us.
I'll sponsor you if you get me.
All right, cool. That's cool. All right, cool. We'll turn this. We're gonna go turn up the Yukon real quick. We're gonna go turn it up.
Hey, I'll record from this side, Jerry.
Yeah. So honestly, I don't even know if it works, but
What are you doing there? What are you doing, sir?
I don't know, bro. Just make sure the exhaust is clean. Let's see how it goes. Wish us luck in the Yukon, boys.
I built the motor on warranty, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it.
Alright, let's get this running real quick. Got some spectators over there. Alright boys, so what I just thought about, well actually he gave me the idea. That truck is twin turbo. Turbos are pretty big. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the hit. Turbo instant, and yeah, now we got to do a dig, make it even. Blow it up, bro.
Faster than I thought.
Yeah, right?
Right.
It's a turd, bro, but not too much of a turd.
I'll talk about that one.
All of that?
Yeah, that's one turbo. This is one turbo.
But that motherfucker.
That is true. I didn't even think about that. That one is twin turbo.
Turbos is big.
But he was really
Is it on? They're like this big?
Well, how big?
This one. Dang, I didn't catch it on camera, did I? So we're 1-1, bro.
1-1. What are you talking about, bro?
I won the second one.
What you let off?
I let off because of that van was about to come out or something. We're in Wahala.
Well, you let off because you got a 4060 and you got.
I let off because
second gear.
I let off. Dang, look, we're running on flats.
weight reduction.
Nah, yeah, you get the air out of your tires and weight reduction.
For it won't spin.
The air weighs something.
All right, so we're 1-1. Tiebreaker. When he gets this out, we'll race it against the S10.
The S10.
We'll race this against the S10 or the Trans Am.
Well, once I get some JB weld and put a patch over that hole in the block, I'll run.
Damn. Nothing to joke about that, bro. LSA block the hole.
Yep.
No bueno.
No bueno.
All right, boys. So day 2 of the video. Early in the morning. What time is it? See your phone real quick. It's 10:30 in the morning, January 6th, Saturday. So the video should be posted today. If it's not, it's posted Monday.
Postponed till Monday. Fuck it.
But all right, boys, we want to talk about something. So look, we designed, or actually he designed this shirt. Let me see if I get a good view of it. Pause. Nice and simple. We'll make 2. Comment what you think about them.
Prototypes.
Let us know. But for the second part of the video, we're starting off January 2024. We're starting off this year with a bang, or I think so. Here, get the camera real quick. So we're gonna be starting off this year. We're giving away this a nitrous kit. It's brand new, it's full nitrous kit. Has all the jets, new kit. Move, Rocky, get off the road. We get ran over. But we'll be giving away. This one's not gonna be for free. We're actually gonna be selling, or not selling, but if you buy a sticker, you'll get an entry to win the nitrous kit itself. So we do have a lot of stickers. Not a lot, but we have like 2 different designs. We got like the outline version, and we got like Well, I'll just show them right here. I have them in my hand. I don't know why I did that. But we got these. We got like white, silver, red, outline red, outline silver, outline gold, and then we have a maroon one, but that's for personal. That's for personal vehicles. Those two maroons are personal. But so if you want to, they're $15. Each one gets you buy a sticker, bro. You have a chance to win that. I know it's not a free giveaway, but it's only $15. Oh, I personally think it's only $15. It's not too bad. So yeah, if you want to buy one, I guess try to find me on Instagram or comment on a YouTube video, and we'll get it somehow. I don't have a web page yet or anything like that, so it's not really too easy. But let's get it started, and yeah, let me know if you want one. Full nitrous kit. This is the Proton kit. It's good for like 150 shot. Has all the jets, bottle brackets. For the most part, everything you need. But if you want to make it like better, you could buy more stuff to make it even better. But if you buy, this is the kit. It'll work. You bolt it on the regular truck. We were thinking about putting it on a Tahoe, but instead of that, I really wanted it for the dyno. We could throw stuff on the dyno and spray with nitrous, but I want to do a giveaway. Hopefully 2024 we can start off with giveaways. It'll be pretty cool. So this is the first giveaway of the year. Hopefully it's not the last one. Hopefully we can do one. Oh, and it's gonna run until like my birthday, which is February 22nd. So like a month. Damn, a month.
Yeah, like a month.
Oh, like a month and a couple weeks. A couple weeks. So yeah, let me know if you want a sticker. Get you an entry, $15. I'll ship out the stickers, and or if somebody wants it from out of state, if they're local, we just meet you somewhere, pick you up, drop it off, and hopefully nobody wins it from out of state because it's gonna be kind of expensive to ship. But if somebody does, then congrats. And but yeah, boys, let me know if you want an entry.
Technical difficulties.
So shout out to Red Bull, sponsor us. But as I was saying, we're gonna be giving away this for the beginning of 2024. Shout out to the homie for designing the shirts. How do y'all feel about the full design? I mean, we only made two.
These are just the prototypes. We're gonna change it up a little bit, maybe.
Do we tell them we like it or not? So we like this shirt, right? We like the shirt.
We like the design, the shirt, but it's just like if you see it in the back, it's like
the material they use to stick this on. We don't like.
Yeah,
It just feel like a regular shirt.
Find a stencil one where they do it and you can't feel it, you know.
Yeah, so it feel like a normal shirt because this one, when it gets hot, it's gonna get really hot in this little spot, so it's gonna be hot right here.
Yeah.
But yeah, boys. So let me know if you want a sticker. I think I got one sold already. I'm gonna let the homies know. Everybody, whoever wants to buy a sticker, let me know. Is it for everybody? And
$15.
$15. $15 to get you it's like $600 kit around there. $600. That's without taxes, or a little bit more with taxes. But for $15, you can win the whole kit. I'll take that.
That's a good investment.
Can I enter? Can I enter that kit?
No.
But all right, boys. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment if you want a sticker. Or most people find me on Instagram and they message me on Instagram. You can message me, do that. Or yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll put. How do we do it, bro?
What do you mean?
Where they can contact us.
They'll find you on
we'll
YouTube.
put our Snapchat. I'll put up my Snapchat on the description, so y'all can message me through there if needed, or let me know if you want a sticker. But all right, boys, peace.